Here I have GIONEE P7 MAX, and let me show you how to take screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you would like to capture. In my case, it could be the list of settings. And if you would like to save the screen, let's use together power key and volume down. You have to do it simultaneously. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you again. Let's hold down power key and volume down simultaneously. And you just capture the screen. What's more, you can also use down bar, and here you can tap super screenshot. So here you can perform normal screenshot. You can use super screenshot to perform partial screenshot, but the greatest feature is long screenshot. Let me tap it, tap long screenshot, tap next screen, and let me show you again. Just save the following screen, but if you have the list, you can do it the long screenshot that way, that you should tap super screenshot, tap long screenshot, choose next screen, and that's it. Now if you tap save, you will have the long screenshot. If you would like to share, edit, delete, or do something with your pictures, let's open the upper bar and tap screenshot captured, and you can also accomplish that by using here the gallery, choose here continue, and choose all, select screenshot, and now you can share, edit, delete, or do whatever you want with the following pictures. This is the long screenshot, as you can see. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.